Hello my dear friends. In this video I will be discussing that how can we transfer the ownership of a Google Classroom to another teacher. Suppose the teacher is retiring or he or she is transferring. So how can she transfer the ownership of a Google Class to other teacher? So in this video we will discuss about it. Let's start. This is a demo class that I have just created to give you a demo. So open the class that you want to transfer to other teacher. Go to the people section. Here click on this plus icon, invite teachers, and here write the email ID of the person to whom you want to transfer your class. Full email ID is required here. Now click on the invite button. When the invitation is done, the other person will receive the invitation. I am here opening the other account. So this is the invitation for my demo class. Here you can see the invitation is received. So you are invited to teach this class, and here I am accepting the invitation from this account. After the invitation is accepted by the person, this her name will be enabled in my account, and here now I will get one new option, make class owner. I am getting an option email to remove that person whom I invited, and the most important option is make class owner. Now I have to invite that person again to become the owner of my class. So when I click on the make class owner, an invitation will be sent to that person, and I will remain the owner until the invitation is received by invitation is accepted by that person. And after the invitation is accepted, that person will become the owner of the class and he will get all rights. Even he can delete the class. So here I am clicking on the invite button. After invitation is done, I am opening the other account, and here in classes I will see the invitation. If invitation is not received here, you can see in the email box, and in email box you can find the invitation, and here the invitation is received in the email box. Now click on the respond button, and after clicking on the respond button, you will get the option you have been invited to on the class demo. It's up to you whether you want to accept or not. So if you transferring with the mutual consent, the person will accept the invitation, and after that person will accept the invitation, he or she will become the owner of the class like this. Now he will get the option to remove you. He can make you class owner back, but he will get the option to remove you. If you are transferring, you are retiring, you will transfer the ownership of your class to other person. The other person will first receive the invitation to teach the class. Then you will get the option to make him her class owner, and when he or she will accept that invitation, he or she will become the class owner, and he or she will get the option to remove you. So now this person is removing me, removed. Now I will no longer be the member of the owner or teacher or member of this class. This I can see from my account. When I click on the classes option, the class is removed from my classroom, and the class is available in this person's account, and he or she is the owner of the class. So this is the process. How can you transfer the ownership of a Google Class to other person? Hope you would understand the process and you would like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.